because the laptop is not working so great. It's not working so great at all with this particular, with the Wi-Fi. So I'm gonna pull up my Restream chat so I will be able to see you guys talking and stuff. There we go. So I've got the Restream chat here. When you pop on here, I'll be able to see your comments. So hopefully my laptop works, but the thing is the Wi-Fi is horrible here. And since my laptop is, I run OBS on that, and from running OBS on my laptop, apparently the Wi-Fi here is entirely too dodgy. It's like goes really, it's like really fast and great for a bit, and then it drops off to like nothing. And so since it's so incredibly unpredictable, it makes it very difficult to kind of communicate what's going on from a you know, well-established type of stream. I don't know how well the Wi-Fi would be with this at NASA. I thought about maybe taking my laptop and having, and I might still, and at the NASA Wi-Fi, use the NASA Wi-Fi and try to live stream like a proper stream there. But I don't know if it's just the nature of the OBS software to not do so well with Wi-Fi. It, you know, a direct connection is a lot better, and that's usually what I do for my live streams. So I streamed from my iPad yesterday, which was pretty cool. So I was able to get all of the talks in that they had through NASA onto my channel, which was amazing. They had a Nobel laureate there who had worked in quantum physics, and he's doing the cold atom research. Yeah, my internet is bad here. I don't know if it's still bad. You know, let me see how it looks on my phone. So it seems to be okay on my phone if I'm looking at Periscope. So, okay, that seems to be okay. So that's not too bad. So let me see how it looks on YouTube. Maybe YouTube's not so bad. And I'm streaming at all kinds of crazy times right now, so that's what's kind of weird. People are just like, when are you streaming? It's like, whenever I can. Quantum computers. Well, they did mention at the talk yesterday about how this could be useful with this cold atom research for quantum computing. That's not a, I don't have a lot of knowledge in quantum computers. So I wouldn't know which questions to ask for that, but if you have a question about quantum computers, I can certainly relay that. So so I can relay that question to the NASA engineers and scientists I'm going to see today. So I am going to try to ask questions at the press conference, because I think that'll be cool. But I gotta like come up with the questions that I want to ask, because they did talk about the different things for research that are going up to the shuttle, well, going up to the International Space Station. They are going to do experiments associated with trying to work out space concrete. That, I just can't get that out of my head. I'm so excited about space concrete. How many NASA, okay, so how many programmers at NASA? I'm not certain, but I can certainly ask them and kind of find out an idea of what they're looking at. Gosh, so yeah, exciting times. Do I know about Galaterate? Galatasaray. I can't. I'm still drinking coffee. Galatasaray. Galatasaray. Is that it? Or Galatasaray? I'm terrible with words sometimes, so I apologize in advance for that. I don't know about that, actually. So that would be something new that I could learn. How exciting. So I don't know about that. Gosh, I can't be on here too much longer because I do have to get ready to go, and I'm going to put in my contacts. I do have my glasses with me in case I need them, but I've been wearing my contacts and my really fly sunglasses going to NASA, so I could just walk in with my super awesome sunglasses and be like, I am here. This is cool. And then tomorrow morning at about 4 a.m. is the launch of the Antares Rocket. So that's going to be pretty amazing. I'm excited about that. I got a lot of gear. They gave me gear. Get some swag. Some NASA swag. You know what I mean? Oh, my hair. My hair is so floofy. Because we're right by the ocean. So my hair just absorbs all of the humidity and just, so there you go. So what I plan to do today is live stream as much of the talk that I can around lunchtime, which is 12 p.m. to 1:15 p.m. I'll have a sit down and talk a little bit with you here, kind of like this, probably from my iPad like this. And then I'll have a couple more tours: Range Control Center, Sounding Rocket Tour, balloon research. There's a pre-launch press conference at the Visitor Center from 11 to 12 p.m. So I hope I can ask questions then. I'm coming up with questions to ask. So that'll be cool. Then we'll talk about the Halo Sat, and then Astronaut K Higher. How amazing. How amazing would that be? That's just going to be awesome. So I'm really excited about that. I have a nice arm. Okay. Well, it is 7:34. I can hang out here for probably 10 more minutes. And then I'm gonna get ready to go. Oh, my hair is just crazy. It's just so crazy today. Oh, it's so crazy. And I'm still drinking my coffee. So we're having a little coffee chat about NASA. I think I'm gonna dress with professional attire today. Real nice skirt, real nice top, you know. So I'm looking forward to that. I'm interacting with people and making friends and stuff. I should probably do more of that too. I'm just like, I want to share NASA with you guys. And other people are like, hey, what are you doing? I'm like, hold on, I got to share this with my friends. My friends here. So how much do I know programming? I don't know much about modern programming at all, so I can't speak for that. I know a bit of how to build a computer, not much on actual programming. But that would be a good skill to learn. So that's something I would be interested in doing at some point in time. So my laptop is not working with the Wi-Fi here at the hotel. So we've learned that. And I think it's possibly because OBS is such a monster bit of software. So it makes it kind of hard to run that. But this is an app on my iPad where I can stream to Periscope and to YouTube. See, I'm still drinking coffee. I'm still waking up. But if you are up with me on Monday morning, tomorrow morning, 4:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So that would be GMT, Greenwich Mean Time, -5 hours. So 4 a.m. Eastern is Greenwich Mean Time -5. It's NASA, CUZ NASA. So show NASA a little bit of love. And if you have questions while I'm live streaming, hashtag Ask NASA when they're doing the actual social media live streams. They have, you know, when they're on. Or if you have a question, you'll be up hoping for clear weather, yay! Or if you have a question and you want me to ask somebody, send it to me in a hashtag. Hey Scientist Mel. That's my hashtag. And I check that all the time. So if you have questions, I have a notebook. I've been writing your questions down. And so when I encounter, oh, it's back over here. It's on my iPad. So I have a notebook, my little planner, that I'm writing down your questions to ask Catherine Heyer and other scientists and engineers associated with this particular launch. So I've learned cannot use my laptop live streaming from the hotel because it sucks. You know, it sucks. The hotel Wi-Fi sucks. But my iPad has pretty decent resolution, and I'll be able to live stream through it pretty well. I hate that because I really have a nice microphone that works well with my laptop, but since it seems that OBS is a bit of a monster when it comes to software, I'm getting lots of dropped frames and that sort of thing, so it's a problem. But here we are. So it's 7:39. I have to go now. I have 1 minute, and then I've got to go get dressed and drive over to NASA. They start talking at 8:30. There's registration at 8 o'clock. I've already been registered. Yes, it's Totoro. I'm not wearing Totoro. I wore this to breakfast. They have breakfast here at the hotel that I'm at. Sorry, had a notification. So they have breakfast here. So I just finished breakfast. I wasn't certain what I was wearing yet, and so I had to get that t-shirt. Totoro, yes. Totoro, Totoro, yes. Totoro is my favorite. I think my Neighbor Totoro is my favorite Miyazaki film. It's probably, I think that's my favorite. I'm gonna watch my live streams while they're doing talks, if I'm able to get that in, because it's just, you know, all of that. Or use headphones. Headphones will probably help with the volume. And then if you're on YouTube, I'll go back in and post and turn everything up audio-wise, so that'll be helpful. I am enjoying myself a lot. I got some swag from NASA. I think my favorite thing is probably this sticker. I think I'm gonna put it on my laptop. I was gonna put it on my car, but I think I'm gonna put it on my laptop. Total NASA sticker. Yes! You know. Oh. So I'll be like, yay, NASA stickers! You know, I was here. So I'm gonna put this on my laptop, I think. Oh, it even has information. This is the information behind the patch. How cool is that? They've got like every single patch means something. So yay! And I got a swan. I got an astro swan. I don't want to say astronaut, so I say astro swan. Oh gosh. Oh goodness. So I do wonder about the flat earth people. I'm like, you know, I don't understand you guys. I don't have to. It's all right. But anyway, so yes, I've got my pens. I got my pens together. I have plenty of pens. I have Sudafed. Oh, I should probably take some Sudafed. I don't want to sneeze the entire time, you know, or get all stuffy. And so, yeah, I'm excited. And I got my NASA social creds, man. Yeah. Yes. I get to wear this. Walk around looking terribly important. I get to walk around like, hey guys, I got my NASA social press pass. And it even has, check this out guys, it even has my Twitter. Check that out. That even has my Twitter. Scientist Mel at the NASA social. That's me. They know who I am. That's my Twitter, and as well as live streaming. So I will see you guys around. Sending hugs. Yay! Hashtag #CuzNASA. #CuzNASA. Awesome. See you guys soon. Looks like more fun than space camp. It is pretty fun because you're talking to real scientists and stuff. Space concrete. I'm entirely too excited about space concrete. Space concrete. That's a thing. Space concrete. So we can build in space. Space concrete. Just sit that in. Concrete is so difficult to make and it's just